भाव की पहले उत्पन्न होने के हम लोग श्रवण के कहा जाता है, रति कहा जाता है।
Rati is the sprout of bhav.
रति
Is a sprout
उत्पन्न होने पर
and Rati manifesting in the heart of sadhak.
ये तीन स्वरूप लक्षण
Three symptoms.
और तटस्थ लक्षण के बारे में हम लोग वर्णन किया। और फिर वही भाव जिसमें गलन होती जाए और मेल को धारण करते हैं।
So we have heard about the 23rd Davansh of Chaitanya Charitamrita. So when somebody's heart is rati or bhav manifest in the heart, so the external symptoms are of that sadhak are so in the heart of sadhak, Krishna Prem is manifested. So their actions, their postures, no one can understand, because they behave like a mad person. Sometimes they're rolling on the ground, sometimes they are laughing, sometimes they are joking. So just like a mad person, so they are chanting the holy name of Bhagwan. Sometimes they are rolling down on the ground, sometimes they are laughing, sometimes they are crying. So in this way, so seeing that posture of that sadhak, because what kinds of modes bhav is manifesting, there are separation mode or the meeting mode. So according to they behave like when they are feeling the separation mode, so then they are crying, and when they are feeling the meeting mode, so then they are laughing. So in the 11th canto, third chapter, 11th canto, which chapter? Second chapter. 11th canto, flock number 40. So it is showing there. So the sweet name of Bhagwan, so hearing that name, how they fall down on the ground, sometimes they are crying, sometimes they are laughing. So we have heard all these kathas that Mahaprabhu himself is saying. When this prem condense, so it gets bhav, mahabhav, anurag, prem and others. So we have heard all this. It is not possible in the sadhak deha. After manifesting the sprout of bhav, the sadhak leaves the body. He cannot bear that. He left the body. So by the mercy of Yogamaya, so in the Prakat Dham where Bhagwan Leelas is going on, so there they take the birth again. Then all the kriyas we can see there. It is not possible for bearing all these conditions or the things of the sadhak. Still, here everything is described here because so in somebody's bodies the prem is manifested. So what they are doing? So what are the symptoms of the prem? So they are telling here. That's why it is saying, so there here example are giving like you have seen the sugar cane. So by the sugar cane there is the juice comes. So by that juice, when we boil that juice, so we make jaggery, and after they convert into the mishri like a sugar. So this is the steps of a sugar cane. So in this way, when rati and prem increases, and it is very tastier.
कृष्ण भक्ति रसरूपे पाय परिणामे। जब प्रधान में हम लोग वर्णन किया था,
we have heard this katha also, that how in the heart they relish the ras and other things. There are 49 kinds of ingredients they can relish the ras. We have heard this katha also. We have heard this katha many times. That's what he's saying.
प्रेम आदि स्थायी भाव सामग्री मिलाने भक्ति रस में पाए परिणाम स्थायी भाव के ऊपर विवाह अनुभाव शक्ति विचारी मूलन के द्वारा।
So above the स्थायी भाव there are many
शक्ति के विचारी स्थायी भाव रस है विचारी यदि जना खंड खंड मरी कर्पूर मिलाने रसलाक्ष भाइरस अपूर्व आस्वादने।
Then Mahaprabhu again he is giving the example, the comparison, just like tastier or the beauty tastier we make the curd yogurt, and with that yogurt when we put some camphor and elaichi. What is elaichi? So this is the topmost ras is there. Taste comes there after mixing so much ingredients in the yogurt. What is elaichi? Cardamom. Ashray alaman. So there are two kinds of alaman, like Vishya alaman and Ashray alaman. Krishna is always the Vishya alaman, and their devotees are the Ashray alaman. But sometimes in the frame stage of frame, in that prem stage it states sometimes prem ashray becomes in the ashray alamban, and ashray alamban becomes prem vishya alamban. So then I told you about the anubhav. All things was described earlier. Actually, it is not. It cannot be unstable by the jnani. Something you have to experiment in the laboratory, just like so. Something you have to realize. There are two kinds of subjects in science: theoretical or practical. First is theoretical, and the second is practical. So hearing something about, knowing about something, so that is theoretical, and the practical. So go to laboratory and test that, and testing there, so it is called the laboratory, the practical example. So that's why there are example is given, just like a gel, a water. We are saying So you feel it's a liquid form, H2O. So in the theoretical you will see hydrogen and oxygen, the H2O. When hydrogen and oxygen mix up, so it becomes the water. But hydrogen and oxygen mix up, so how it becomes the water? So you have to, when you have to do that practically, so you have to go to the laboratory and test there. So after getting the test, so you will realize there are many kinds of process of testing. So it is treated that in the same way in the prem state. So we are hearing this all katha, we are saying and hearing. Only when you go in that state, then you can know only. So why we are all saying this? Because the sadhak, how he can reach, in which stage he can reach. So that's why we are describing all these things, and it is already mentioned in the scriptures. So all the stories are Siddhi Katha. These all are the kathas of Siddhi. So why we are doing this hearing, listening, and kirtan? It will take so many births. It will take so much births to destroy your anartha. When you go further, so by the association of the devotees, so gradually you will develop the Shraddha, then Sadhu Sangha, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha Ruchi Asakti, Bhav. So you will enter into the Bhav in that state. So that's why it is again why we are hearing. What is the use of hearing? Hare Krishna. So in that context is saying, so what is actually Chit Jagat? Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Bol. How Trivikram Goswami was given an example. It was a very nice example. When you see a little child and there is a annaprashan, means when he takes first taking grain ceremony, which is grain ceremony was when first time he take grains, annaprashan. So at that time their father and mother, they used to give a beautiful necklace to them. But that child doesn't know, that he is not aware about this necklace, that how much precious is that. He used to he used to give it on the neck, and after sometimes they take out from the neck and they keep into the safety locker. And they lock the door and keep it there. When that child grow up, when she is going to get married, so at that time the same necklace which was keeping in the safe places was given to her. Because when you are not getting, because if it is not ability, in that time we are giving the precious things, so it is not valuable for that person. So there is a proverb in Hindi, Bandar kya jane adrak ka swad. Monkey doesn't know the taste of ginger. What is the taste of ginger? Monkey doesn't understand. So in the same way, when Jivas is suffering from anarthas, his anarthas are not destroyed. So in that stage, so by hearing, listening and saying, listening, so in some words, by the mercy of Bhagwan and the devotee, gradually all the anarth will be destroyed, and he will realize all these kathas. The katha we are saying, there is no use here at this time. So that's why it is saying how we can destroy our anartha. There is no use of in the anartha stages, because you cannot get the adhikar. So that's why it is also showing here. Because there is a adhikar, there is some discrimination, like hearing adhikar, But in Anartha Dasha, he doesn't have any kinds of vikar.
एक बच्ची को यदि कहा दिया
Trikuran Goswami Maharaj was giving an example. If you say to one child,
बच्चा कैसे जन्म लेगा
how, oh, if a child is asking to his mother, then how a child can get birth. So what my mother will tell us, when you will grow up, you will come to know. When you will get married, you will grow up, you will get married.
शादी के बाद
After getting married, when you will have a relationship with husband and wife, after that the putra kanya will sons and daughter will come into the womb.
किंतु अभी इस
But-
कथा को सुन करके उनको क्या प्रतीत होता है
So if that little child hearing that katha, so what kind of realization here, because she or he doesn't know that what is marriage actually,
कि जब तक वो
until he or she is not growing up,
जवाना जाना चाहती है
they are not getting the youthfulness, so they cannot understand all these things. In this same way,
इसमें से जो कथा हम
all the katha I was telling you, we are hearing this katha,
बस
so these
सुनना अच्छा लगता
maybe you can like that hearing,
है किंतु हृदय में तब हमें प्रवेश करेगा
but when it will enter in your heart, when we will be free from anarthas,
फिर कहते हैं
then again is saying,
विमुक्त होने के उपाय क्या है
so what is the reason, what is the cause that we can, what is the solution that we can be free from anarthas.
श्रवण कीर्तन भगवान की कथा श्रवण बिना
So why here saying is again that without hearing the katha of Bhagwan, our heart cannot be pure. So we have to hear the Bhagwan katha, Bhagavad katha, again and again.
इतने ही जोर देते हैं
That's why we are so much pressurizing on hearing.
कृष्ण पूर्ण श्रवण भगवान के अमृतमय कथा जब
So if we are not hearing the nectarian katha of Bhagwan until so we have so much mud inside our heart, it cannot be washed out.
ठीक है सतान प्रसंगात ममवीर संगिदु भवन्ति हित कर्म रसायन कथा सज्जोसना दासु अपवर्ग वर्मणि श्रद्धा रुधि भक्ति
Swam Kapil Dev, Bhagwan Kapil Dev is saying to his mother Devhuti, "Oh Ma, hey Ma, always here get the association of Sant Mahatma. So please hear my katha with firm faith by the great devotees." So there is a process of hearing katha. So what is the process that we have to hear the Hari Katha with firm faith, not by the argument. By the firm faith we should always hear Hari Katha.
इसलिए राष्ट्र के अंतिम श्लोक भी हमें ये कहा गया
That's why in the last shloka of
इदं से श्रद्धान्वित तो अनुसन्नाद वर्णे रथ भक्ति परायण भगवती प्रतिदप्प काम विद्रोहम आसु अपनोति अचिति न मैं इस नाटक शुरू की बात में इस श्लोक के पर सुंदर व्याख्या भी करते हैं
so at the last shlok he has our Bhakti Rajpon.
विष्णु
Who is saying this last shlok?
भगवान श्री हरि की कथा है अर्थात रासलीला में जो स्वयं कृष्ण
At the Ras Leela, when Bhagwan Krishna himself,
द्रुत गति से जल्दी से
when he was dancing very fastly with every gopi, he was doing dance with all the gopis at the same time.
वो समस्त प्रेम विहार आदि की कथा
These all prem katha we should hear is with firm faith,
अत्यंत गाढ़
with so much deep faith.
साधारण श्रद्धा होता है
So one is simple faith, and second is deep faith.
विश्वास के
We should have so much firm faith.
और कहते हैं अनुसुना
And saying other thing is
उनका सुनना
we should always hear by the
अर्थों की
anu. There are many kinds of meanings of anu word. We should hearing this katha continuously with a firm faith,
तत्पश्चात
and then after that,
श्रवण के बाद
after hearing,
कीर्तन आदि करें
after that, after hearing the katha, we should kirtan that.
कीर्तन प्रजुए इदं च विष्णु श्रद्धा में
After hearing, we should kirtan that.
पढ़ने तक भक्ति परायण भगवती प्रतिलप्प काम प्रतिलप्प शब्द के द्वारा असमापिका क्रिया को स्थापित करते हैं संस्कृत में है
In the Sanskrit, pratilabhya
करके
After getting these,
बोले देखो यहाँ पर हमें विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पास
here our Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying,
ये कैसे संभव है
how is it possible?
अनर्थ दशा में।
In the anartha stage,
अनर्थ
Kam Krodho is all are the anartha. And hearing in this stage you are hearing the katha, how you can develop bhakti?
बड़े भगवान की कथा में अचिंत शक्ति
Because there is a power in the Achinta Shakti in the Bhagavan Katha.
जो अचिंत वस्तु जो है
So that Achinta thing, that is the transcendental thing, you cannot understand by the arguments.
जैसे मणि मंत्र आदि औषधि में अचिंत शक्ति है
Just like the Mani mantra, Mani has so much power, mantra has so much power, which is beyond our views.
इस संसार में भी जड़ वस्तु में अनेक अचिंत शक्ति है
In this world, material things has so much power.
अनेक प्रकार की जो
There are many kinds of the trees, roots.
आपके सर पर नहीं आएगा
So if you put that inside your house, so the snake will not come at your house.
ऐसे वस्तु
So there are many kinds of things. When you take that,
वस्तु में वस्तुतः है
so this is the power is the inside that. By the performing mantra, you will see incredible changes and things there,
औषध आदि
results there. After getting the medicines,
अनेक प्रकार बीमारी
there are many kinds of illness will go away from your body.
मंत्र औषध आदि में
That's why it is saying that there are so much power in this material things also.
चिंतामणि
So Mahaprabhu is giving the example, just like Chintamani, Sparshmani.
परसमणि इसकी प्राप्ति हो जाए
If somebody got the Sparshmani,
परसमणि के
so by that Sparshmani, if we touch that by the iron, so that iron becomes gold.
परसमणि सोना नहीं बने वो लोहा के क्या बना देते
Sona. So that Sparshmani won't be iron. That iron will be gold.
शक्ति है
Because there is a power, the transcendent power in that
उसी प्रकार
Sparshmani. So in the same way,
ये इसमें
in the Bhagwan Katha, just like
पहले
first we are saying,
रश्मि आदर तो अंधकार ना हो
first we used to say that first the sun rises, then Andhakar will go away. But if you think about,
सूर्य के रश्मि जितने आएगा और उसके बिना अंधकार अपने आप
when the sun rises up, the darkness will remove away.
रहे
Ek saath. So it is saying that the sun and the darkness cannot be same at the same time. So that's why Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying here,
बड़ी संभव है
is it possible?
भगवान की कथा में भगवान के नाम
There is a too much transcendental power. There is a transcendental power in Bhagwan name and Bhagwan Katha,
जो काम आदि के दूरीभूत कर नहीं
that who are not able to destroy the calm themselves. So by hearing the Leela Katha of Bhagwan
जो महापुरुष जो था
and by the pure devotees of Bhagwan,
प्रवण आदि
if they are hearing that, so it is possible. It is not impossible. That it is all the vikar, all the anartha will be destroyed, will go away. That's why Vishwanath Chakravarti in the is saying,
भक्ति परांग भगवती प्रतिलब्ध का एक प्रतिलब्ध शब्द के ऊपर
the pratilabhya, there is so much pressure on the pratilabdha word.
आपके हृदय में काम रूपा भक्ति
In your heart, the Kam Rupa Bhakti will be manifested
रूप लीला में
by hearing the Nam Rup Guna Leela of Bhagwan.
भगवान के नाम रूप
There is too much power in there is too much power in Bhagwan Katha, Bhagwan Nam.
अभिन्नत्वात्
Nam, you know.
भगवान और भगवान नाम में कोई
There is no difference between Bhagwan and Bhagwan name. And somebody is hearing the Bhagwan Katha.
लीला आदि का कोई श्रवण
Whatever you are hearing, Bhagwan Nam Rup Guna Leela.
उसमें अचिंत्य
So there is a transcendental power manifested itself.
इसी प्रकार
That's why, in the same way, he is describing
चित जगत में
in the transcendental world
एक लीला आदि में
everything one by one, step by step, the Leelas are going on there. Arup Goswami Pad,
भक्ति रसाम
in the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu, and the Ujjal Leedmadi Grantha,
इसमें तो उदाहरण
he has given all the example. He's giving all the example and explaining.
पुराण आदि में जहाँ
In the Puran, if there are,
स्वयं
he is not able to find the shlokas,
आदि के द्वारा
so he has manifested that Grantha very nicely described all the shlokas in the Grantha.
आप देखोगे
You will see all the many shlokas
बात जो है
which is written by the Rupa Goswami Pad, which is manifested by his Rupa Goswami Pad, and some shlokas he has taken
वैष्णव आदि के जो है उनके श्लोक की उद्धृत करके
So some shlokas he has taken by the previous acharya, and he establishes his Vishya Vastu. In the Ujjal Reenvadi and Bhakti Rasama Sindhu, Rupa Goswami Pad, there are many shlokas. It is not possible that all the shloka has been taken by the Bhagavad Mahapurana and other Puranas. He has taken by the Prachin Vaishnava, the earlier Vaishnavas, just like he has written the another Granth which is called Padavali. So he has written another Shlok Padavali. He has written his Padavali many Shlok himself. So this is all the shlokas of Prachin, the earlier, the eldest previous acharyas. In the Padavali Granth he has manifested himself. So himself manifested, the previous acharyas manifested. So he has quoted all these things in the Padavali. He has specifies all these things there. In this way, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, he is, after getting the Radha Bhav, when he was observed in his Bhav, so he is telling this all Katha to Sanatana Goswami Pad. That's why. So he has explains every tattvas there and with the examples. Then some shlokas he has explained in some shlokas in the 64 qualities. There are 50 qualities of Jiva in a very minute form. Devta have 55 qualities. Devta has these all 50 qualities in a more potency in a minute form and higher than the Jivas. And Shivarmadi have 55 gun, and in the background Narayan and Raman Vishnu have 60 qualities, and the Ramchandra has 62.5 guns qualities, and Krishna has 64 qualities completely. So in the 64 qualities there is 4 gunas. This is unparalleled. There is no comparison, which is called Rupa Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Venu Madhurya, Prem Madhurya. These four, the incredible qualities, it is incomparable. By these 4 qualities, he is controlling, he is attracting all the jivas, not only the jivas. He is controlling by all their, he is attracting all their Vaikuntha Parikar and the Golok Parikars. So seeing all the Rup Madhurya of Krishna, Vasudev Krishna, when Vasudev Krishna in the Dwarika, Vasudev Krishna, he was so much attracted by seeing his roop, by seeing his form. Haribol, mic is not working, I think. Now it's working. And then he's saying, Radhaji, there further Radhaji qualities were described. Radhaji have 25 good is prominent. So he described Chaitanya Mahaprabhu described the Radhaji's qualities in the Ujjal Reenvadi and other Granthas. So there are 25 qualities. So Mahaprabhu himself described in this way. After describing all these things, he described the Nayak Nayika as Ras, and then he
सर्वश्रेष्ठ जो है
And-
नायक अभिनंदन श्याम सुंदर,
And he is told that the Nayak is the topmost Nayak, is Brijendra Shyam Sundar. He is the Dhir Larik Nayak. Have you heard this? You have already heard about this. And Shrimati Nadikas.
साधित भक्ति का नायिका के महत्व का साधित है।
She has,
इसमें भी वर्णन किया है।
this is all we described.
यही मदरस सबके वत्सल
You have heard about all the Nayak and Nayika's qualities. Krishna is Dhir Larik Nayak, then Radhika is topmost Nayika, heroine. You all already described there.
वही रस अनुभवी तुझसे भक्त कर, वही छेड़ा साय सुनो तार लक्षण। इस प्रकार महाप्रभु
In this way, Mahaprabhu,
रस आस्वादन की कथा भी श्रवण करें।
he was describing all these relishing kathas.
आस्वादन की जो कथा इसमें लिखा है, संस्कार के ऊपर निर्भर है।
It's all the Raskatha is totally up to the sanskar, the impressions after previous birth impression, after getting the association of sadhu, another
नित्य सिद्ध
by the Nitya Siddha Parikar,
उनका भी एक संस्कार पड़ जाता है।
their impression comes in your heart.
यही संस्कार ही क्या
These same impression will lead us, they carry forward us.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी कहा है,
That's why here it is saying,
ये जन्म जन्म
worth after worth,
के हृदय में संस्कार रहता है।
who has this impression in their hearts, so according to the impression of their heart, he leads, carry forward.
कोई ज्ञान के
He is
द्वारा
forwarded.
कोई संस्कार
Some are forwarding by the gyan, some are knowledge, and some are forwarding by the impression.
वो ज्ञान के द्वारा जो बढ़ना चाहते हैं,
Some who just want to be achieve going further by the knowledge, so they can be downfall. Getting
हो सकता है
who would like to achieve the goal and forwarding by the just because of knowledge, they can be downfall. Mike,
क्यों? ज्ञान के द्वारा उसकी
because by the knowledge, he by the knowledge and argument, they would like to get all the knowledge of transcendental world, which is not possible by the argument.
श्रद्धा
You can understand all these things by the Shraddha, by the Vishwas, by the firm faith, and
नाट्यशास्त्र आदि भी ऐसे भी कहा दिखाई है।
in the Natya Shastra it is also described, Natyakar showed these all things.
पूर्व अनेकों नाट्यकार भी
There are many kinds of Natyakar.
नाट्यशास्त्र में
In the Natya Shastra,
अनेकों नाट्यकारों ने
there are many kinds of Natyakar.
ये समझ तो आज
I don't know. Natyakar means what? Dancing. Dancer, Natyakar dancer. Natyakar.
पूर्व जो साहित्य
Dramatical.
जो है और नाट्यकार भी
So the Natyakar, the dramatical Shastra. So there are so many Naika, heroine and heroines, bhavas there. So Alaman, Uddipan also, eagerness and observations also there. Just like Kalidas, Natak play you have seen. He is a Mahan poet.
रसशास्त्र की विद्रोही दिखाई गया विक्रमादित्य के सभा में
He went to the Vikramaditya, Kalidas went to the Vikramaditya Sabha. He presented so many kinds of Mekudud, Shakuntala, Avigyan Shatulam, Kumar Sambhav, Avigyan Shatulam, Kumar Sambhav, Meghdut. There are four plays he showed around.
प्रिया प्रियतम की
Fourth one is somebody knows.
कैसे तरफ से राखी
Fourth one play, play. Yeah, drama, yeah.
डिग्री को उसमें पढ़ाया जाता है इंडियन को पढ़ाया जाता है
So in our school it used to teach you all these things. Meghdut, there was a heroine. It was showing in that play. Kalidas written that katha. There is a cloud.
दूध बना करके अपने प्रियतम के निकट भेज देते
So they are sending a messenger to their Priyatam, their beloved. So Rupa Goswami Pad,
उससे भी अधिक माधुर्य भी प्रकाश
he is expressing the Madhurya more than that.
कैसे हंसदूत जो है
My Hansadut, before the Hansadut is before the Mahaprabhu Milan, and after Mahaprabhu, before the meeting of Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami Pad, he retained a beautiful Granth. So they have shown the separation mode also there.
राधा जी कृष्ण के विरह में
The Radhaji in the Krishna's separation, she got fainted.
और उस समय
In that,
ललिता देवी
at that time, Lalita Devi.
तो पढ़ो देखो आपके आंखों में आंसू और इतने
So there is a Granth of Hansadut. So there is a beautiful separation katha is there.
ज्यादा श्लोक नहीं है मन
There are not, there is no much too much log, only just 100, more than 100 only.
सुंदर रोमांच
So Hansadut is a Granth, and if you read that first side you keep Meghdut, which is written by Kalidas, and second if we are compare it with Hansadut, which is written by Rup Goswami Pad,
देखने में एक जैसे लगे
which you it's look like same, but there is too much Lalitya, Prakritya, Ras Madhurya, everything is there, which is you cannot describe by the words. It is incredible.
कभी कभी इसको थोड़ा
Sometimes we compare this.
एक प्राकृतिक कवि और
First is the transcendental poet, and the another is material poet.
जस्ट मैंने उसके
So I was just giving the comparison only here, because when Radhaji in the Krishna separation, she got fainted,
ललिता देवी
then Lita Devi, she went.
पानी भर के जमुना में पानी
So she went to take water from the Yamuna, because she would like to pour the water in the eyes, sparkle some spot on the face of the Radhika at that time. So at that time she saw a beautiful swan there,
ललिता देवी
and seeing that swan,
दूत के रूप में
so Lalita Devi,
क्या मथुरा में
she sent that swan to Mathura from Vrindavan. So it's all describing there. Then how how he has to reach there. So all the bhavs are describing there. There are beautifully the chitra, the pictures was painted there. Very nice, incredible.
जैसे कृष्ण
Just like Krishna,
राधा जी के ब्रजवास के बाद विरह में जो तड़पते हुए उद्धव को भेजा
just like when Krishna was feeling the separation mode, and he sent to Uddhav to Braj,
ये कहाँ कहाँ कैसे
and it is saying that he told everything to what is the way, that how you have to go, that you will go, when you will take that place, you have to take darshan from that place, these things, and that place you have to take darshan of these things. In this same way, the swan was sent by the Lalita Devi, and Lalita Devi describing everything is there step by step, which is incredible.
इसलिए मेरे कहने की
So what's my mean to say,
जो पूर्व
that our previous acharyas,
जो रसमाधुर जो
the Ras Madhurya Granth,
उस ग्रंथों की विस्मृत और अपराधिक भाव की कैसे
these all are the transcendental bhava are also there described.
चेतना महा
Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
के समय
at the Rath Yatra time,
साहित्य दर्पण के एक श्लोक
he quoted Sahitya Darpan Shlok.
क्या है
Which shlok is that?
जब वो महाराज
Japo
इस श्लोक के कीर्तन करते हैं
He was doing a kirtan of that Japo Maharta.
प्राकृत
It is just transcendental, like a transcendental hero and heroine, which is called the Kamoddhipak.
और उसी श्लोक के जब चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So when he was reciting that shlok again and again, and seeing all the bhava of Mahaprabhu, Sarva Damodar,
मदन दमने और महाप्रभु कैसे विवाह
seeing that bhava of Mahaprabhu, when he was dancing,
फिर उसी श्लोक में उसी भाव
so at that same feeling, same bhav,
जब वो मारा हर इस श्लोक के साहित्य दर्पण के श्लोक
this is all the Sahitya Darpan Shloka.
एक विवाहिता जो स्त्री जो है
A married lady, before the marriage,
और उनके साथ प्रेम क्या हो गया था अवैध रूप में प्रेम हो
she was loving someone, so before the marriage, so that is which is not Vedic.
उनके हृदय में वो
When they are meeting, after that we are there. Okay, so before the marriage, if some lady is meeting to their friend, so this is illegal, but they are getting so much taste. But after meeting their same friend is meeting, so they are no more so much taste. So that's why they are Mahaprabhu was explaining all the things. When Mahaprabhu, he was not describing all these material things, but why Mahaprabhu is saying all these words? So at that time, Swarup Damodar, only the heartly feeling can understand by the Swarup Damodar.
और उसी साल रूप गोस्वामी पाद
So at that time, Rupa Goswami Pad was Rupa Goswami Pad understood the bhav of Mahaprabhu. At the time of Rath Yatra, he was there, and Rupa Goswami Pad went to Siddha Gokul, and he was meditating on that shlok, and he recited all that shlokas there. Jar Sahitya Shloka. And he took the darshan of Haridas Thakur there, Siddha Bakul. At that time, Rupa Goswami Pad, he went to take the bath in the ocean, and suddenly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so which is written by the Rupa Goswami Pad. So Mahaprabhu was reading when he came from the after taking back from the ocean water, taking bath. So when Mahaprabhu himself said to Rupa Goswami, "Did you write these shlokas?" Rupa Goswami Pad, he said, I wrote. So he was just nodding his head that time, and he said that yes. And Mahaprabhu said to Swarup Damodar and other devotees, "Look, Gatakalle Kal, that yesterday I was dancing before the Yamuna ji. So I was telling the stories of this material Nayak Nayika, heroine, this material heroine. But how Rupa Goswami knew my heart feelings, and that's why he has manifested all the shlokas, transcendental shlokas." At that time, Swarup Damodar said, "So you have manifested the power in the Roop heart. That's why who can know your heart's feelings without you? Without your mercy, who can understand your bhav, your feelings?" Mahaprabhu himself said he accepted these things. Yes, true. When Roop met to me in the Prayag, so I was thinking that he is a capable person. That's why I manifested all my powers into him. And Mahaprabhu was very much happy that time. Very nicely. All the transcendental, the poet. So that's why the Janmadasya Yathonvayadar Adi Kavi Moyanti Yat Surya. So in the heart of Brahma, so Narayan himself, here Acharya Pad is saying, for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he himself, he manifested all the powers in the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad. It is true. Brahmaji is saying himself, without the mercy of Bhagwan, no one can get that, understand that tattva. In the same way, without the mercy of Bhagwan, Mahaprabhu, and by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, all the powers manifested in the Rupa Goswami Pad heart, and he retained all the beautiful grantha. Vridagdama, Lalit Madhav, very kinds of beautiful granthas. Rupa Goswami Pad written so beautiful granthas. So he would like to return a Leela in the Krishna Leela. He would like to combine the Granth in the Braj Leela and Dwarka Leela. So Satya Mama, she came into the dream of Rupa. No, write the Grantha separately. Satya Mama came into the Rupa Goswami Pad. That's why he wrote two Granthas separately. First is Vidak Madhav Natakam, and second one is Lalit Madhav Natakam. So Rupa Goswami wrote this Granth, Vilat Madhav and Lalit Madhav. One is Braj Kathas and second is Dwarika Katha. In the Dwarka Leela Granth, he has showed the separation mode of Radhika is there. When you read that Grantha, you won't be asleep. You will cry, you will cry. Very nice, very very kind of separation was showing there in the Lalit Madhav Grantha. Bolo Shri Radha Rani ki jai. So Rup Goswami Pad got the dream of Satyabhama. So Satyabhama tell them, please, if you want to write the combined Granth of Braj Leela or Dwarka Leela, so you have to write not the separately, not the combined. You have to write both the Granth separately. That's why Rup Goswami Pad written Vidagdha Madhav and Lalit Madhav. Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Premanande. Hari Hari Bol. Okay, see you in the night at the Kirtan time. Hari Bol.